Right, all the way across, bud, right? When it opens, let it open and then go all the way across.
The smaller animal you see with the yellow dorsal crest on its back, right next to the fence there, that is a yellow-backed tiger. Walking out from the behind the tree, that is an okapi. You can see those stripes on their front legs. We'll move around so we get a view of their back legs. Looks a little bit like a zebra, doesn't it? Zebra bands. And they're not related to zebras, despite the stripes on their legs. They're actually only known living relative to the giraffe. Yellow-backed tigers will flare the yellow crest on the green bushes kind of hanging over the edge there. Look just past it. There's a black rhino lying on the ground in the sun. Take a look on the right side of the vehicle. Those are greater kudu. These are both female greater kudus, only males have horns. They're about 750 pounds fully grown. Look at that face. Now, most of the time you'll find hippos in the water. They stay in the water all day to keep their large body from overheating, but on mild days like this, they will climb out of the river. Take a look on your left, those large white birds you see, peaked-backed pelicans. Not exactly pink right now, but come mating season, they'll take on a shade of pink in those feathers and nest together in large groups. We're going to make our way over this bridge in the waters below Nile crocodile. You do not want to get on the business end of those jaws. These animals are about 20 feet long of pure muscle. That makes them strong enough to drag down animals like zebras and wildebeest, almost without any effort at all. Large, powerful jaws can generate about 2,000 psi, pounds per square inches of pressure, more than enough force to easily crush the bones of their prey just a bit. Wildebeest will make one of the largest migrations over Africa each year in search of food and water. Something like that. Maybe not so amazing. You get the idea, though. A giraffe on the hillside to the right. I think this will be the best view we can get. As soon as we can pull forward, we'll grab a couple of pictures of it. See a giraffe underneath the trees there to the right. Looks like they're all Maasai giraffe. There is another species of giraffe making their home here. It's called the reticulated giraffe. They get their name from the Latin word reticulata, which means net-like. Now, if you look really closely at a giraffe, you just might notice they're very tall. 18 to 20 feet tall, fully grown. They're about 6 feet tall. Never their first grown tall. Well, the first born. Tall. Largest monkey species in Africa. They weigh in at about 100 pounds, fully grown. That makes very large animals. Great fur lets it blend into a lot of different environments. That's probably a bull elephant. Bull elephants are the adult males. They're very large, weighing about 14 pounds. That's more of a sound now, dude. I'll give it some time out. Can you turn him? I can't turn him. There's not much I can do about asking a 6 to 9 to 14,000 pound animal to turn around. They do whatever they want to. No, the animals do know that we're trying to help them. Elephants are particularly smart, so. But we do let nature take its course here. We do make sure the animals are given the respect they deserve. Over there. These are younger elephants. See, elephants usually live together in a big group called a herd. Matriarchs are the dominant elephants in the herd. They weigh about 6,000 to 9,000 pounds. They're all female, and just so you know, both male and female elephants have tusks. We study the elephants, we learn more about them. We're hoping knowledge that we gain will help us find better. Elephants that make a very specific vocalization. All the elephants in the area would immediately turn around and leave. So how did that help? Well, there's a big problem with elephants raiding farmland in Africa. To elephants, it's food. To farmers, it's livelihood. A lot of unfortunate circumstances come from that type of interaction. So researchers played a recording of the elephant sounds that the bees around farmland. And ostriches. Largest bird in the world. They have wings, they have feathers. They don't fly, but they can definitely run about 40 miles an hour, so they get along fairly well.
They're like horses, but they're wild.
They are yellow-billed storks. They're a carnivorous bird. They'll eat anything to get that long yellow beak on. Frogs, fish, and even snakes. Why did I have to eat snakes? Nadox, you see there?